your alarm clock is literally destroying your sleep. No, I'm not talking about going off in the morning too early. That is another subject for another day. I'm talking about that itty bitty light glaring in your face all night long. Yes, it's just a tiny light and your eyes are closed, so it can't be bothering you. But studies are showing that any light on your skin at night minimizes melatonin production, which increases the pace of aging and reduces the quality of sleep and the growth and repair that should be happening from your sleep. So get rid of that alarm clock, put it across the room, cover it up, do something, and have a beautiful night's sleep.